Road monster chomping at a building. I mean, sod off, bulldozers. Chomp. My dinner. My building. Don't touch. My dinner. My building. Greedy developers. Sod off the lot of ya. Look at that. That road monster really is hungry. Look at it. Sod off, bulldozers. Sod off, bulldozers. Doesn't look very safe. I mean, it's right by where people are walking, and this is Dale End, Yobbo, central Birmingham. I mean, where's safety come into the equation? You've got bikes on the pavements, yobbos everywhere, and that bloody debris. Sod off, bulldozers. Sod off, bulldozers. This is the same people that want to knock down Ladywood, Birmingham City Council, and I say sod off, bulldozers to them. Greedy people. Oh, not enough dinner up there for the road monster. It's not very satisfied. Look at the face on that. That's a few people I can guess that is. I don't think the trams are a bad investment. They're all right. They're very good. I'm going to get a bit close to this road monster in a minute and see what I can film. It looks pretty good. Sod off, bulldozers. God, look at it. It's having its lunch right now. This thing is hungry. This thing is incredibly hungry.